Welcome to our meal prep for the week fat loss edition. Listen up, you lot. This isn't some amateur cooking show. We're here to transform those flabby excuses for bodies into lean, mean fighting machines. And it all starts in the kitchen. Today, we'll show you how to prepare delicious and healthy meals that will help you lose fat and stay energized throughout the week. That's right, you heard me. Delicious and healthy don't have to be mutually exclusive. We're going to demolish the myth that healthy eating is boring. Get ready to fuel your body with food that tastes as good as it looks, and get ready to finally shed those extra pounds. All right, you lazy sods, it's time to wake up and smell the protein. Breakfast, as you should know, is the most important meal of the day. It's what kickstarts your metabolism and sets the tone for the rest of the day. And no, a bloody croissant doesn't count. We're talking about high-protein, low-carb meals that will power you through your morning like a runaway freight train. First up, scrambled eggs with smoked salmon. Now, I don't want to see any watery messes, all right? Get your pan nice and hot, a touch of butter, and swirl those eggs constantly. Seasoning is key, you donkey. A pinch of salt and pepper is all you need. Top it off with some smoked salmon for healthy fats, and you've got yourself a breakfast of champions. Next, we have Greek yogurt with berries and chia seeds. It's light, refreshing, and packed with protein and fiber. Don't even think about using that artificially sweetened rubbish. We're using plain Greek yogurt here, and we're adding a touch of natural sweetness with fresh berries. Chia seeds are our secret weapon, adding a boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Now, for those of you who can stomach it this early, let's talk about overnight oats. Don't screw this up by using those instant sugary packets. We're talking rolled oats, soaked overnight in almond milk with a scoop of protein powder. This is a slow-release carb bomb that will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Top it with some fresh fruit and a sprinkle of nuts for added flavor and texture. And for those of you on the go, a quick and easy option is a protein smoothie. But don't you dare reach for those pre-made sugary concoctions. We're blending together unsweetened almond milk, a scoop of protein powder, a handful of spinach, you won't even taste it, and some frozen berries for sweetness. Blitz it up, and you've got a nutrient-packed breakfast that you can take on the run. Remember, breakfast is non-negotiable. It's the foundation of a successful day of fat burning. So get your act together and start your day off right with these delicious and nutritious breakfast options. Lunchtime, and I bet you lot are already reaching for those greasy takeout menus. Well, put them down. We're not letting you sabotage your progress with those calorie-laden disasters. Lunch is all about keeping the momentum going, providing your body with sustained energy without the afternoon slump. We're talking lean proteins, lots of veggies, and healthy fats. First up, we have grilled chicken salad. But not just any salad, you hear me? We're talking a mountain of fresh greens, colorful veggies like bell peppers and cucumbers, and a generous portion of grilled chicken breast. Ditch those creamy dressings and opt for a simple vinaigrette made with olive oil and lemon juice. Next, we have salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is a fantastic source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for fat loss. Roast up some seasonal vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, and carrots for a fiber-packed side dish that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Now for a vegetarian option, let's talk about lentil soup. Lentils are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with protein, fiber, and iron. This soup is hearty, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying. Make a big batch on Sunday and enjoy it throughout the week. Another great lunch option is quinoa salad. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also gluten-free and high in fiber. Mix it with chopped veggies, herbs, and a light dressing for a refreshing and nutritious lunch. And for those of you who are always on the go, chicken lettuce wraps are a quick and easy option. Simply cook up some ground chicken with your favorite Asian-inspired seasonings and serve it in lettuce cups with chopped veggies and a drizzle of sriracha mayo. Remember, lunch doesn't have to be boring or bland. With a little planning and preparation, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals that will keep you on track with your fat loss goals. Dinner, the final hurdle of the day. This isn't the time to be raiding the pantry for biscuits, you hear me? We're going for meals that are big on flavor but light on calories. We're talking lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fiber to keep you feeling satisfied without undoing all your hard work. First on the menu, we have baked chicken with roasted sweet potatoes and asparagus. Chicken is a lean protein source, and roasting it with some herbs and spices brings out its natural flavors. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbohydrates and fiber, and asparagus adds a touch of elegance and a healthy dose of vitamins. Next up, we have salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli. We've had salmon before, haven't we? Do you know why? Because it's bloody brilliant. It's packed with protein and those omega-3s your body craves. Quinoa, our trusty sidekick, provides a complete protein and fiber, while broccoli adds essential vitamins and a satisfying crunch. Now, for a vegetarian delight, let's try vegetable curry with brown rice. This dish is packed with flavor and nutrients thanks to the abundance of vegetables and aromatic spices. Brown rice is a healthier alternative to white rice, providing fiber and essential nutrients. Another fantastic dinner option is turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles. Turkey is a lean protein source, and zucchini noodles are a low-carb alternative to pasta. Serve the meatballs with a simple tomato sauce and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for a satisfying and flavorful meal. And for a quick and easy dinner, you can never go wrong with shrimp stir-fry. Shrimp is a low-calorie, high-protein option that cooks up in minutes. Stir-fry it with your favorite vegetables and a light sauce for a healthy and delicious meal that's ready in a flash. Remember, dinner doesn't have to be a calorie-laden disaster. With a little creativity and effort, you can enjoy satisfying and nutritious meals that will help you achieve your fat loss goals. Listen up, you lot. We're not letting those pesky hunger pangs sabotage your progress. Snacking is not the enemy. It's about making smart choices that fuel your body and keep you satisfied between meals. We're talking about snacks that are quick, convenient, and packed with nutrients. First up, we have Greek yogurt with berries and a handful of almonds. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse. Berries provide antioxidants and fiber, and almonds offer healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. Next, we have a classic apple slices with peanut butter. Apples provide fiber and natural sweetness, while peanut butter offers protein and healthy fats. Just make sure you choose natural peanut butter with no added sugar or oil. Now for a savory option, let's try rice cakes with avocado and a sprinkle of chili flakes. Rice cakes are a low-calorie, gluten-free option. Avocado provides healthy fats and fiber, and chili flakes add a touch of heat and flavor. Another great snack option is hard-boiled eggs. They're portable, protein-packed, and incredibly versatile. Sprinkle them with salt and pepper for a simple snack, or add them to salads and sandwiches for an extra boost of protein. And for those of you with a sweet tooth, dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao, is a surprisingly healthy option. It's rich in antioxidants and can actually help curb cravings for sugary treats. Just be sure to enjoy it in moderation. Remember, snacking is about making smart choices that support your goals, not sabotage them. So ditch the processed junk and opt for these healthy and delicious alternatives. Now you've got the recipes, you've got the knowledge, but don't think for a minute that this is a free pass to slack off. We're going to turn you into lean, mean prepping machines. This is about being organized, being efficient, and mastering the art of meal prep and storage. We're talking about maximizing your time and ensuring your food stays fresh and delicious all week long. First things first, invest in good quality containers. We're not talking about those flimsy plastic tubs that warp in the microwave. Get yourself some durable, airtight containers that can handle both heat and cold. You'll thank me later. Next, dedicate a specific time each week for meal prepping. Sunday afternoons work well for most, but find a time that suits your schedule and stick to it. Treat it like an important meeting that you cannot miss. No excuses. Now, when it comes to cooking, think in bulk. Double or triple your recipes so you have leftovers for the rest of the week. This will save you time and energy in the long run. Remember, we're all about efficiency here. When storing your meals, let them cool completely before refrigerating or freezing. This will prevent condensation from building up and making your food soggy. Nobody wants a soggy bottom, do they? Label your containers with the date and contents. This may seem like a small detail, but trust me, it will save you a lot of headaches later on. You don't want to be playing guessing games with your food. And finally, don't be afraid to get creative. Meal prepping doesn't have to be boring. Experiment with different flavors, cuisines, and ingredients. The more you enjoy your meals, the more likely you are to stick to your plan. Remember, meal prepping is an investment in your health and your time. So get organized, get creative, and get ready to conquer your fat loss goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy meal prep ideas. Now, I don't want to see any excuses. You've got the recipes, you've got the knowledge, and you've got absolutely no reason to fail. Get in that kitchen and prove to me that you're not a bunch of useless eaters. Stay healthy and happy meal prepping.